Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Milwaukee Press and Flip, the Fastback Folding Utility Knife, product number 48-22-1503. Says 2 pieces. Says quick release here. I don't know if you guys could see it. Quick release. Says store up to 5 blades. Let's see here. Looks like you got 2 different type of fastbacks. You got one that has a little bit more features in there, and then you got the basic one. It says lifetime guarantee, or limited lifetime guarantee. Compact, so real smaller than your regular. And then on the back here, so you got quick change, tool-free blade change with metal extensions to prevent accidental blade removal. Blade holder designed for scoring. It says includes fastback utility knife with blade storage 48-22-1502, and then it does include 48-22-1500, which fastback compact folding knife, utility knife, engineered by Milwaukee tool, blades made in Taiwan, knives assembled in China. All right. Let's unbox this. It does have some tabs here on the back. Oh, and before we unbox this, don't forget to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out so we can buy more stuff like this. All right. There's the first one. Alright, so it's out. Nothing inside the package. Alright, so this is what we got. We got 2 fastbacks. Let's go over the first one. Alright, here's the first one. Really nice. Looks like it's metal. This one's plastic. Looks like it's metal. So you got a button here so you can retract it, and then you can, it's a little hard. Eventually it'll get loose, but you're able to do it. A nice belt clip on the back. Like I said, it's pretty hard. It does have, I really like this feature that it has here. So in case you need to cut like a string, I don't have a wire or a string with me. But let's say you have a string, you're able to cut it like that, basically. And you're able to take this apart. It does have some, I believe, some hex screws in there. You're able to take that apart. And it does have a way so you can, a toolless way so you can change the blade. Just press this button here and you remove it. You press it like so. And it's locked in there, and it does have another little cutting feature on the bottom, so you can cut, obviously you can cut wires or strings while it's inside there. And then we have another feature here that you can store blades. So let's take this off. Let's take this off. And we'll just throw a blade in there. Oh, so it has a magnet. Nice. So it has a magnet. See? It sucks it in. You put it in there. It sucks it in, and then you can just bring it back in. It's a nice feature to have. Extra blades inside. We'll look at this one, see what features this one has. So obviously you got this button here, so you can, like a fastback basically. In here, pretty empty, there's nothing in there. And so you can put maybe a keychain or a little chain there or something. or tighten it up against your belt. You got a belt clip here. Like I said, a button to release it and lock. And then same thing with this one. It does have a button here you press and you can release. Then a button here and it locks it in place. 4.05, so about 4 inches wide. It's about 0.57, so half an inch. And then with this button here and the clip, it's about 0.8 inches total. And then this one is 4.6. It's a little longer, 4.6. And then the body itself, it's about 0.7. This one with the button and the belt clip, it's about 1.0. So this one's a little bit more lower profile. This one's a little bit more lower profile and smaller, slimmer. And then this one's a little bit more thicker, bigger. But I really like the feature that comes in. It does have that back cutting feature here, and it does have that, you know, extra blades, which you can't take off unless this is released. So obviously you have to release this, and then this one releases. So obviously I really like this feature here that you can store some more blades. Really nice feature. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.